Have you been struggling with weak hair, shedding, and slow growth? That was me not too long ago. My hair just wouldn't grow no matter what I tried. But I found a simple natural remedy that completely changed my hair in just a few weeks. Let me show you how you can also change yours. The secret is onion juice. Yes, just onions. It's one of the best natural remedies for hair growth, and it's so easy to make at home. Let me show you how to prepare it. I'll start by peeling the onions, then chop them into small pieces. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which helps boost collagen production and strengthens your hair strands from the roots. It also helps reduce hair fall, supports new growth, and keeps your scalp healthy. After a few weeks of using it consistently, you'll notice your hair is now thicker, stronger, and you'll experience less shedding and breakage. When chopping the onions, the smaller you'll cut them, the easier they'll blend and release all the juice.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
And our super potent onion juice is ready. It has all the nutrients, the sulfur, or antioxidants, and enzymes that will help stimulate the hair growth.
my heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you
My hair is in mini braids. I'll go in with my spray bottle, starting from the roots as I head down to the hair strands.
inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Gently massage for about 5 minutes to boost blood circulation and help the nutrients absorb.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
After massaging, cover your hair with a shower cap and let it sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out with a mild shampoo. And that's how I use onion juice on my hair to keep it growing and healthy. With consistency, you'll start noticing thicker, stronger roots and less shedding. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.